let's take a look at the way that you change the AOL Mail theme. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video. By default, you're going to get a yellow theme inside of your AOL Mail, but in case you want to change it, you can head over to the settings on the top right and you're going to see the theme right here. But for a better view, you can head over to more settings and inside of appearance, you can see the whole theme that you can select. You can just pick the one that you like and the theme will be instantly changed. Apart from the theme, you can also change some of the layouts as well, such as the message layout, the inbox spacing, and a few other options. So just take a look at these examples. You can also set a dark theme if you want. And if you head back, your theme will be instantly changed. If you don't like the current theme that you're seeing, you can always head back and change it to a different theme. So that's all there is in changing your theme inside of AOL Mail. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.